Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have the promised and much requested embellishment showcase. So this is all the new embellishments and some extra bits and bobs that we've got that are in the new annual catalogue. It's taken me a little time to get round to sharing it with you, but I'm here now. So I'm going to start with these two and a third, which it's a project I've made. So these are the Delicate Details treat boxes. So they come flat packed and you build them up, and then I've added paper behind. So you're getting a little look at those. But then there's these two as well. And these are the Peekaboo treat bags. And I'm very curious about these. So I think, oh yeah, so there's some are white and some are brown. Craft, and they are food safe, and yeah, you can see through, so those are going to be fun. See them in use on page 19. Oh yeah, sweeties inside, so those are good. I like those. I like the Stampin' Up! Is kind of all about the food stuffs, but I'm guessing you can probably stamp on them as well, so those will be fun to use. So then also, so this is in the section called Wrap It Up. These are embossed treat bags. So let's snip into these. Are these food safe? Food safe as well. Bravo. So I guess you could bake some biscuits or small cakes or what have you and pop some in here. Oh, they're gusseted bags. Brilliant. Ooh, they're very nice. Those are good. Doing me out of a job because, you know, I make bags this size. No, I'm joking. They're brilliant. I love those. And yeah, the stripy embossing, which I'm probably... Oh, there you go. You can see it there. Stripy embossing going on. But how fab are those? So, you know, emergency bake sale. And you could give those away. Okay, right, ribbons. So I have been showing these. I need to reach across because they're on my shelf. So these are the 5 in colour metallic woven ribbons, which are lovely. So those are the 5 in colours. We have those, and we also have the in colour twine. So those are brilliant too, but we've also got some more. This one, particularly lovely. So this is rose gold and white striped ribbon, and it's quite thick. And there we go, there's the focus. And if you watch my thumb, you'll see the shimmer. It is so pretty. What's the size of it? Width, 5/8 of an inch. So yeah, a little over half an inch. So that's going to be 1.5 centimetres. We've also got this big one as well. I've not opened yet. Natural finish ribbon. And that's really nice. So that's 7/8 of an inch, 2.2 centimetres. That's really nice. That's long as well. How long is that roll? 9.1 metres. Wow, that's long. So that's very nice. This one, metallic edge cotton ribbon. So we had this metallic edge ribbon before that was white, but I like that this is cotton. And it's got this lovely metallic-y edge. Very pretty. This one I've used. This is Petal Pink polyester ribbon. And it sort of... I don't know how to describe it. It's sort of... It's almost in felt territory. It's almost there, but it's... Oh, very noisy outside as well. But it's not felt, but it's kind of heading in that territory. And then these two are Old Olive and Sahara Sand, and I can't remember which group they're from, looking at my ribbons. Happy Forest Friends, that's it. And yeah, they're just nice, simple cotton ribbons. So those are our ribbons. I'm just putting them all back on my shelf, completely not in rainbow water. That's going to make my head ache soon. Then we've got some loose trinkets. So these are open leaf trinkets. And it's a copper colour. And obviously you could string it and hang them. Well, I'm going to say copper. It's sort of, it's not gold and it's not copper, but it's not champagne either. What colour does it say they are? I'm looking. I also can't see them in the catalogue. Why can I not see these in the catalogue? I can't see. Have I made these up from somewhere? Oh. I don't know where they're from. Open leaf trinkets. Oh well. We've got them too. That I now can't get the lid on. We've got the sprig trinkets. I can see them in the catalogue. Where have I got those from then? We've got these. Sprig trinkets. Which are very fancy. And they are extremely detailed. I hope you can see the texture on there. Very, very detailed. I put it on my black top. No, that's blown out the colour. There we go. They are glorious. I'm serious, I don't know where those trinkets have come from. Open leaf trinkets. Have I maybe carried them over? Oops. Anyway, and then effervescent elements. These are like little bubbles. They are fabulous. They will, I'm not going to get those out, but they are rainbow colours. Because they're, you know, pretty. And these, I'm guessing, are designed to go with a bottle punch. But anyway, right. On to all of the embellishments, the sticky ones. So I've put them in here because we've had so many new ones, and normally I keep my embellishments in these, only I don't have enough. So I've tipped out my in colour scraps and I'm using these. So let me get them out for you. There's loads and loads, and they are so gorgeous. Do you know, and I felt we needed a little bit of a change. We needed some new stuff. So classic matte dots, so in white, vanilla, grey and black. Can't go wrong with that, can you? Shall I do the focus this way? That might be easier. Seriously, I'm going to batter those boys outside. Glossy dots, look at the shine on them. They're gorgeous. Really lovely. So I'm going to say that is probably Gorgeous Grape, Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight and possibly Pool Party, but I don't think there's a specific colour, so that's fine. In colour matte dots, and I love the gradient colour change. You can see it probably best of all down here, but it's the 5 new in colours. So much fun. But then these are the previous in colours done as opal rounds, and I love them because they've got this sort of golden fleck in as well that you can just see peeping through, but that's obviously in our in colours. Look at the flowers. These are really heavy, these flowers, but they're obviously adhesive backed. They're rather charming. And solid faceted gems. Are these? Yes, there is a different colour at the top. Very nice. I'm guessing these are probably from a suite. I tend not to specifically put embellishments to work with a suite. I just grab the embellishment that catches my eye and I go, oh, that's pretty. I'll use that one on this project. Look at the heart pearls. Aren't they lovely? They're all little hearts. And so we've got, well, I'm going to say that they're translucent at the top. Oh, I can't get into it. Yeah, it's looking translucent matte at the top and translucent glossy at the bottom, and then this sort of pearl here. Very nice, and in 2 sizes. Iridescent pearls. I love pearls. I love pearls, and I'm always running out of my pearls. So, see? Not many left. So I like that we've got these iridescent ones. They're very, very pretty. And yeah, I've already started using those. Fine sparkle adhesive backed gems. Ooh, these are very pretty. and in 4 colours, and they, hopefully you can see, they're sort of, it's like a stripy hatching on there. So they're not faceted like these, but they've got sort of like a flat hatching, I don't know, you know what I mean. They're nice. Rustic metallic dots, I have used these, I think I've put them in a video as well. They're cool. And then the fun flowers, and these are in the, well, I want to say these are the new in colours, but they're not. Oh, I think these go with the butterfly suite. So Parakeet Party, Starry Sky, Fresh Freesia, probably Crushed Curry, and I think that's Calypso Coral. They're really lovely, aren't they? And I think that's it that's new. I don't think there was anything else. No, everything else kind of carried over. I'm seriously worried about where I've got those trinkets from, though. I'm just going to grab the mini catalogue and see if they've carried over from there. No, they're not in there either. Where have I got them from? Open leaf trinkets are not on this page anywhere. They're not on this page anywhere. And they're not on this page. I didn't get the sequins, actually. Sequins and I are not friends. Where have I hoofed them from? That's bizarre. Samantha, where have you got them from? And what's the item number? 159960. 159188. I know what they're from. Something coming soon. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope that this has given you a look at some of the new fabulosity. And yeah, you know where to shop to get the fabulosity. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.